Video 2. Scanning abdominal aorta, celiac artery, and splenic artery from the stomach. This video demonstrated how to image the aorta, the celiac artery and its major branches, and the splenic vessels with the transducer while scanning from the stomach. The transducer was first placed in the lower esophagus to locate the descending aorta. The scope was then advanced slowly past the gastroesophageal junction while rotated clockwise to trace the abdominal aorta. Note that the crura of the diaphragm, a triangular hypoechoic fibromuscular structure between the aorta and stomach wall, disappeared as the scope left the thoracic cavity and entered into the abdominal cavity. In the stomach, the abdominal aorta was easily identified in its long axis view at the right side of the screen. As we traced along the abdominal aorta, we came across its first branch, the celiac artery. Normally, the celiac artery branches from the aorta at an angle of approximately 45 degrees. When the scope was rotated slightly counterclockwise, the branches of the celiac artery appeared. The left gastric artery at the top right of the screen, the splenic artery at the upper left corner, and the proximal segment of the common hepatic artery. Parts of the pancreatic parenchyma and the splenic vein could also be seen. The splenic artery and vein were traced to the splenic hilum by gently loosening the control views and withdrawing the scope slowly in clockwise rotation. This maneuver also showed the pancreatic parenchyma from its body to its tail. The left kidney and the left adrenal gland, situated between the kidney and the aorta, were also seen. With counterclockwise rotation of the scope, we could follow the splenic artery from the splenic hilum back towards the celiac artery. At this point, the scope was pushed in a little to reveal the superior mesenteric artery.